Hey foodies! Welcome back to another episode of Jeryl's Kitchen. And today in my kitchen, I'm going to share with you how I make my Jamaican Callaloo rice. This is very simple, quick and easy to follow. So please remember to like and share, give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notification. Why? So you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And please remember to subscribe to my channel as well. And thanks to my loyal viewers, thanks to those that have watched and subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. So let's start cooking.
I am using 2 cups of rice, 2 stalks of scallion, some thymes, my favorite, my scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seeds, some carrots and tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. I'm using some chopped garlic as well, chopped onion, and of course my callaloo that I've washed and shredded. Make sure you wash your callaloo thoroughly. I'll also be using my Maggi coconut powder. I love Maggi so much. About 2 cups of Maggi coconut milk, about a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, and I'm using braised garlic powder. I'm also using a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and also my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going in with my oil. And I'm gonna allow the oil to heat up a little bit. Then I'll be adding all my fresh herbs and spices and veggies just to saute for a minute or so. Guys, it's smelling so good. Now I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk, and I'll be using about 2 cups of coconut milk. Then we're gonna go in with the rest of the spices. The black pepper, salt, and I'll be using just a pinch of salt. And of course my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. My garlic powder. We're gonna mix it up, mix it all in. Taste it just to make sure it has the perfect taste. Now I'm gonna add this bad girl. You know, if somebody say you're hot like scotch bonnet pepper, that means you're really hot. You're looking great, alright? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice, and I've already washed my rice. Make sure you wash your rice thoroughly before you cook it, just to get rid of that excess starch out the rice. I'm gonna add a little water to the container just to get the excess rice out, because we're not wasting any food, right? You need every bit of that rice out. I'm gonna stir it around just to get the veggies evenly distributed in the pot. Then I'll be going in with I can't believe it's not butter. I just love using this butter. It is so delicious. We're gonna stir it a little bit just to make sure the veggies are distributed evenly throughout the dish. Alright, and then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to steam for about 15 minutes. Alright. I am back, guys, and my rice is coming on so perfect. So now that this seasoning has done their jobs, I'm gonna remove them, except for the scotch bonnet pepper. I really need it. That stays throughout the whole dish. Now guys, as you can see, I'm fluffing my rice up before I add the star of the show. And you know what the star of the show is? It's my threaded callaloo. I prefer to use my callaloo at the last minute, because if I use it way ahead of time, it's gonna get real soggy, and it's just not gonna look that great. So I just add it at the last minute. I'm gonna mix it just to incorporate it into the rice. Guys, it's not even finished and it's looking so good. I'm just gonna toss the scotch bonnet pepper in it and just let it steam down for a few more minutes, so stick around. Oh my goodness, look at it. Wow. Let me just plate it up just to show you. So you don't need any sort of meat with this. This is as close to vegetarian as you're gonna get. So guys, this is it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please remember to leave a comment. Wow, amazing. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care, be safe, and bye bye.